Hi, welcome. This hypnosis is meant to help you relax your body. If you are experiencing the habits of cracking your hands or knuckles, neck, ankles, or back, or even deal with the restless leg syndrome, this hypnosis will help ease you into a relaxation and help prevent these habits. Do not listen to this if you are driving or if you are trying to be alert. This hypnosis will not ease you back into an awakened state. So if you need to be awake after, feel free to set an alarm. What I want you to do is go ahead and find a place to either sit down comfortably or lay down comfortably, such as your bed or a couch. Make sure that the lights are dim low and that you're not going to be disturbed. So go ahead and put your phone on silent or vibrate. And go ahead and do that now. And now that you've found somewhere comfortable, I want you to just ease back into your bed or chair. And as you ease back, I want you to just close your eyes. And you're going to envision yourself somewhere that you love to be, such as a favorite vacation or somewhere in nature, like the beach. And as you're visualizing yourself in this location, I want you to just take in the sensations of the environment. And I'm going to use the beach as an example. Picture the sun just shining on your face as you're laying down in the beach. The beautiful, gorgeous sun. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. And the sun is just kissing your skin so lightly, and it feels so good. It's a perfect temperature, the perfect day, a slight breeze in the air. And as you're laying down on the beach, you can hear the waves crashing down. And you're just indulging in this wonderful sensory experience. You hear the water, you hear the tide going in and out. And you can just feel everything around you. You feel the sand in your toes. You feel a little bit of salt in the air. And as you're laying there, you're getting more and more comfortable. And what I want you to picture is a little ring of light coming down toward you. And it's coming down and it starts at the top of your head. And as the light touches the top of your head, you just instantly start to relax even more. And the light is slowly working its way down your forehead. The creases in your forehead just diminish. And it's working its way down the back of your head, the back of your neck, and down to your shoulders. And you immediately relieve all the tension in your neck and shoulders. And your eyelids are getting heavier and heavier and more relaxed. And the light is working its way down your arms, down to your fingertips. And your fingers and hands are so relaxed and they're so heavy. You couldn't even lift them even if you tried. And the light is working its way down your abdomen, down your legs, down your thighs. And you're continuing to deepen and deepen your relaxation. And it's working its way down your knees, your shins, and to your toes. And everything in your body is just so relaxed. You're so comfortable. You're so at ease. and you're heavy in the sand, laying down. You don't want to go anywhere. You don't want to move. And you just feel unbelievably relaxed. You've never felt this relaxed before. And you're so comfortable within your body. And you're not worrying about anything. You're not worrying about anxiety. You're not worrying about things to do. You're just in this deep, deep state of bliss, of relaxation. There's no tension anywhere in your body. You don't feel the need to move your hands. You don't feel the need to move your legs. In fact, you don't feel the need to move anything in your body. You feel amazing. And as you ease into this relaxation and you deepen your state and you fall into a beautiful, peaceful sleep, you're going to remember this. Remember how comfortable you are in your body, how at ease you are, how you don't feel the need to crack your hands or your knuckles or your feet or your neck because you're so beautifully relaxed. You're so comfortable and you're so at peace. And you are going to continue to deepen the state of relaxation. You're going to get even more relaxed. Your body's going to get even heavier. And you're just going to simply be. You're going to continue to relax. Each part of your body is continuing to get heavier and heavier. And your relaxation is just getting more deeper and more deeper. And when you wake up, you're just going to continue this sensation of loving every aspect of your body, not feeling the need to move your hands in a specific way or your legs. And you're just going to simply love the state of relaxation.